Hello friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Hotstar not working, Hotstar not opening problem in Android Smart TV. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel Farm Touch Studio. Guys, if you are also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your internet connection properly working or not, then set time and date correctly. For that, you need to go settings, click on setting icon, click on network and internet. Here you check your internet connection working or not. If not, once you disconnect and reconnect. After that, go back, click on device preferences, click on date and time, click on automatic date and time. Here you select off, then go back, click on set date. Here you set correctly date, then go back, then click on set time. Here also you set correct time, then go back. Open your Google Play Store, then search here Hotstar. If your Hotstar not up to date, then update from here. After updating Hotstar, go back. Again click on settings, click on apps, search here Hotstar, click on force stop, then click on OK. After that, go back, click on clear data, click on OK, then go back, click on clear cache, then click on OK. Then open your permission. Here you enable all permissions. After doing all these steps, once you restart your smart TV, hope your problem will be solved. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.